Hey guys, thought I'd just let you know that Microsoft have released some more details here about Windows 8, and that Windows 8 is obviously gonna get this App Store, because everyone's making their own kind of App Store. It wasn't that long ago that the Mac App Store got launched, and next year with Windows 8 beta be launching in February, late February, and then the release candidate later. Awesome, because with this Windows 8 beta, we're gonna get this app store. It's probably gonna be called a marketplace or something like that, and we now have some more details from San Francisco, that basically Microsoft have been talking about this new Windows store that will feature apps, and the cost will range from $1.49 to $999. I'm not sure why they pick $1.49 to be the cheapest. Wouldn't it be smarter to have like 99 cents apps, because it sounds more attractive to buy a 99-cent app instead of a $1.49 app, a 49 cents app. But still, I mean, it is kind of interesting. Also, what they're gonna do is they're gonna take like 30%, a 30% cut of the revenue for the devs that wanna feature their apps in the Windows Store, and basically they're gonna do the same thing as Apple. They also take a 30%. But one cool thing that they're also gonna do here is that let's say they're a huge app that brings in tons of revenue. Once that app reach $25,000 in revenue, Microsoft's gonna go from taking 30% to only 20%. That's not something that Apple's doing, but I suppose that's going to be very attractive for big guys like Angry Birds, stuff like that. And also it will cost $49 to register on this Windows Store, and also $99 for companies that want to like develop their apps and stuff like that in this store. So that is kind of good, coming out with easier also approval process. Because some people have been having problem with the App Store, when they're making changes to the app, that they have to like that they may change a little bit and then they can't get it approved and stuff like that. Seems like Microsoft is gonna try to make it easier with that App Store process when you update it and stuff like that. And also it's going to be very interesting how huge, I mean, this App Store, this Windows Store could be huge, if you think about how many people that use PCs. 1.25 billion people using PCs right now. I mean, compare that to the App Store on iOS. That's huge, and that's only 152 million devices. And that's insanely big. Think 1 billion. Think 1 billion and 250 million. That is that could be a huge market and could be a huge revenue increase for developers that create their apps and stuff like that. So definitely it's going to be kind of interesting when this Windows Store is going to be launched, when Windows 8 beta arrives late February 2012. So yeah, see.